జీవితమే ఒక ఆట సాహసమే పూబాట జీవితమే ఒక ఆట సాహసమే పూబాట నాలో ఊపిరి ఉన్నన్నాళ్ళు ఉండవు మీకు కన్నీళ్ళు అనాథలైన అభాగ్యులైన అంతా నా వాళ్ళు ఎదురే నాకు లేదు నన్నెవరూ ఆపలేరు ఎదురే నాకు లేదు నన్నెవరూ ఆపలేరు జీవితమే ఒక ఆట సాహసమే పూబాట
is a Japanese martial art which we uses to protect ourselves from our enemies. It's a Japanese word derived from two words like kara and te. Kara means empty, te means hand. That means we have to defend the others with the empty hand. Japanese martial art, karate means. Here we are having some terms, Japanese words we are going to learn. Are you ready to learn? Okay. The place where the people are doing defense, that one we are calling it as Jojo. What it is? The place where the people are fighting together. In Japanese language, what we are calling? Cricket playing people, auditorium, like that. Okay. Next, the people who are wearing uniform, you see, Mahya. That uniform we are calling it as G. What is the uniform of the karate? G. And the belt, what they are wearing, that one we are calling it as Obi. Now, most important word, you also can use this for your teacher. In Japanese language, teacher means Samese. Will you repeat after me? Samese. What is the teacher word in Japanese language? Okay. In every field, first of all, we have to give respect to our teacher. That is the main thing, main responsibility. First of all, greet your teacher. See, whatever it may be, whether we are eating or drinking, whatever it may be, we are going to get from the blessings of the sun. So, first of all, our children are going to do some Surya Namaskaras. Are you ready to see? Come on, children. Come to the positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Last but not least, once again we will get the blessings from the God Surya Bhagavanudu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Go to Jojo. First, before defending other, we have to increase our strength. How it will be possible? Through basic exercises. So our Vishwabharati kids, karate kids are going to show you. You also can follow at your home. Okay. Basic exercises. The first one is head roll, clock, anti-clockwise rotation. Anti. Crossing arms. Washing machine. Hip body roll. Clock. Anti. Knee rotation. Reverse. Unified ankle flex. Come on, give them a big round of applause. Alternating ankle flex. 1, 2, 3. It is very fun to do. Looking like a dance step. Jumping jacks along with your clapping. Come on. Now, very important to build our health. Fast push-ups. Come on. Ichi. Knee. San. Yawn. Go. Roku. Nana. Hachi. Kyo. Ju. Come to the positions. Stride punches. Back and forth. Ichi. Ichi. Knee. San. Yawn. Go. Roku. Nana. Hachi. Kyo. Ju. Chill. Sides. Sides. Ichi. Knee. San. Yawn. Go. Roku. Nana. Hachi. Kyo. Ju. Come to the positions. Crunches. Suhan. Come back, Deepak. A little come back. So much of space you have. Viola. Kaushik. Crunches. Ichi. Knee. San. Yawn. Go. Roku. Nana. Hachi. Kyo. Ju. Now, if anybody defend you from backside, see what will happen to them. They are going to show with their kicks. Now, the next exercise is kick back. Come to the positions. Suhan, move front. Little. Ichi. Knee. San. Yawn. Go. Roku. Nana. Hachi. Kyo. Ju. Reverse. Shift the leg. Are you ready, guys? Ichi. Knee. San. Yawn. Go. Roku. Nana. Hachi. Kyo. Ju. Come to the positions. Quick stretch along with your deep breath for refreshing yourself. Come to the positions. Red on cross. Ichi. Knee. San. Yawn. Go. Roku. Nana. Hachi. Kyo. Ju. Now we are going to learn first martial art exercises. Choko Juki. Choko Juki is a good martial art technique. It's one of the type of straight punches. So many types we are having, but lack of time, our children are going to perform just 5 punches only. Are you ready to see? Then encourage them with your great deal of applause. First one, Jodan Juki, Ichi, Ni, San, Yan, Go, Roku, Nana, Hachi, Kyo, Ju. Next, second one, Jodan Juki, Ichi, Ni, San, Yan, Go, Roku, Nana, Hachi, Kyo, Ju. Third one, Gidan Juki, Ichi, Ni, San, Yan, Go, Roku, Nana, Hachi, Kyo, Ju. Come to the positions. Now, Yoko Juki, Ichi, Ni, San, Yan, Go, Roku, Nana, Hachi, Kyo, Ju. Come to the position. Sanbon Juki, Ichi, Ni, San, Yan, Go, Roku, Nana, Hachi, Kyo, Ju. Come to the positions. Now, another martial art technique, knee lift to elbow. Are you ready, guys? Ichi, Ni, San, Yan, Go, Roku, Nana, Hachi, Kyo, Ju. Now, knee strikes. Are you ready, guys? Come on, encourage them with your big round of applause. Your encouragement is boost up for them. Knee strikes. Are you ready, guys? Ichi, Ni, San, Yan, Go, Roku, Nana, Hachi, Kyo, Ju. Shift the leg. Ichi, Ni, San, Yan, Go, Roku, Nana, Hachi, Kyo, Ju. Another type of knee strikes. Ichi, Ni, San, Yan, Go, Roku, Nana, Hachi, Kyo, Ju. Next, upper blocks. Shift the leg now. Knee strikes, another type. Ichi, Ichi, Ni, San. 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 Come to the position. Aage, okay. Upper blocks. Ichi, Ni, San, Yan, Go, Roku, Nana, Hachi, Kyo, Ju. Come to the position. Do you want to see the push-ups once again, guys? Children, do you want to see the push-ups once again? For the sake of the kids, karate kids, are you ready to do the push-ups? Come on, come to the positions. Come back, Deepak and Beulah, Kaushik. Ichi, Ni, San, Yan, Go. Come to the positions. Now, downward blocks. Gidan Bare. Ichi, Ni, San, Yan, Go, Roku, Nana, Hachi, Kyo, Ju. Come to the positions. Come back, Deepak. Move more back. Along with your friends. All members come back. Sidhu, come back. Are you ready to do Genkustudachi? will you? Come to the positions. Now bend and leave your hands along with your breath. Left leg on right. Right leg on left. For doing wild leg stretch, we have to fold your hands by bending. Shift overs towards the left. Shift overs towards the right. Sit down. Feet together. And touch your toes. Just bend your body. Don't bend your knees. Left leg in and touch the toes. Reverse. Right leg in and touch the toes. Ma, come to the positions. Now, our karate kids are doing very important, which is useful to us, not only for kids, for elders also. For us also it is very useful. It will decrease the cholesterol level in the thigh place. And knee pains also will lose by doing this exercise. Pregnant women, doctors are suggesting this exercise for the pregnant women also for getting the normal delivery. Are you ready to see? Now, not only karate kids, remaining kids also do along with the karate kids. Girls, sit down. Kids, sit down. Very important, ma. Not only for kids, for us also. పెద్దవాళ్ళకు కూడా చాలా హెల్త్ బెనిఫిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. Come on, do butterfly exercise. Butterfly. You also guys, remaining kids also. Kartika, come on. Faiza. Come on. Along with your karate kids, you also do. Niklesh doing very nice voice. Very nice, Niklesh. Without practice, you are doing very well. Very nice. Okay, you have to practice this exercise at your home also. Not only kids, elders also. It's a small tip to everyone from our school. Come to the position. Stand up. Will you practice, girls? Boys? Vishwavati kids. Next. Leg rise to shoulders. Ichi. Knee. San. Yan. Go. Roku. Nana. Hachi. Kyo. Ju. 90 degrees movement. Loudly. Come to the positions. Total leg movement. Come on. Come to the positions. 90 degrees. Roll. Ichi knee san. Ichi knee san. Ichi knee san. Come to the positions. 90 degrees up and down. Ichi knee san. Ichi knee san. Ichi knee san. Total stretching. Leg stretching. Total stretching. Bend. Ichi. Knee. San. Yan, Go, Roko, Nana, Haji. Come to the positions. Now, how to protect from our enemies? If anybody attack in various types, how to protect ourselves? Our kids will perform and show you. Just get the tips if it is necessary for you. Neck defense by Ketan and Kaushik. Come to the positions. Claps. If anybody give wrong punch to you, కొడితే దిమ్మ తిరిగి మైండ్ బ్లాక్ అయిపోవాలి. దీపక్ అండ్ జశ్వంత్. Claps. Neck defense. Neck defense, another type of neck defense. How to protect yourself from your enemies are going to perform by Mahya and Sohit. Are you ready? Come to the positions. Middle. Come on. Claps, claps, claps. If anybody hold you tightly, then how to reveal from them? Claps. If anybody hold you from back side, how to defend? Come to the middle. You have to reveal by pulling their hands. Claps, claps, claps. If anybody attack you at the road, how to defend them? Abu Tahir and Sidhu. If anybody hesitates you to play when they are having very great work like doing homeworks, preparing for the exams, then
No, Mahia, let's come to play. My grandfather said, working, working. No, Mahia. Hee-yo! Oh, Jay!
clap. If anybody attack you with a stick, performance by Deepak and Vardarajan. Claps. Anybody attack you with gun, international level of attack by Kaushik and Deepak. Claps. Backside kick by Ketan and Vardarajan.
Hee-yo! Jay!
You have to give kick on the nose of the opponent. Collar defense by Beulah and Vardarajan. Kia. Who? Come to the positions. Mudder defense technique by Mahya and Ketan.
Hee-yo! Woo! Hee-yo! 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 Woo!
Claps. Anybody turn your hand? Sidhu and Jashwant. It's casually happening with us also, yes, guys? If anybody turn your hand, you have to give kick to them, punch to them. Another way. This time, this time we should not give kick to them. We have to, like this, do not do. If by mistake, if your hand, if he turns your hand, more harm to you. It will be very severe. You will get very severe pain. So you should not. Now they will show you how to do in a proper way. In that way, you have to give claps. Sword defense. Sword. Sword defense by Beulah and Vardarajan. If anybody attack you with sword, claps. Now, a school girl attacked by a stranger, by Pooja and Sidhu. See, anybody pull. Again, followed you and pull your hair. Give her a big round of applause. In that way, we have to protect ourselves. Rope attack. Come friend. Rope attack by Deepak and Ganesh Vardarajan. Soundra. Second type. Claps. Now, another type. Main part of the man has to be kicked by the opponent. Then the opponent can be moved back his decision to defend you. Gang attack 1 by Abu Tahir. Abu Tahir, come here. See, if anybody, that means a group of people attacked you, how you should not do? How you should not do? You should not stay in one place. Okay, now Abu Tahir will show you how to defend a group of people. నేను కొడితే అదోలా ఉంటుందని వీళ్ళు చెప్పడం తప్ప నాకు తెలియదు. కానీ ఇప్పుడు మీకు అందరికీ తెలుస్తుంది. ఏసాలే సౌండ్. క్లాప్స్ క్లాప్స్ క్లాప్స్. నౌ gang attack on our boss Deepak.
రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ చేసి కన్ఫ్యూజన్ చేయొద్దు. కన్ఫ్యూజన్ లో ఎక్కువ కొట్టేస్తా.
కొట్టే. kids. Aima. Nerja. Indian flag తీసుకొని రా. Indian flag. Digital home check మా. Come to the positions. Maya. Photo. Claps, Lala, claps. Very nice.
My name is Deepak. I am studying 9th class.
My name is Pooja. I am studying 6th class. My name is P. Ketnakshi. I am studying 7th class. My name is Siddhartha. I am studying 7th class. My name is Jashwant. I am studying 7th class. My name is Savita. I am studying 7th class. My name is Kaushik. I am studying 7th class. My name is Suhan. I am studying 1st class. My name is Ganesh Vardarajan. I am studying 7th standard. My name is Mahi. I am studying 5th class. My name is Beulah. I am studying 6th standard.
Everybody stand up here to have a group photo.